Class 10, question number 14 from this 6.3 was left to be discussed because it is a bit typical. Alright, so you need to understand as well as do a little bit of learning. Now children, there are many ways of solving or presenting this proof, and this is the one that I find shortest. So I have done it by this method. There are many more constructions and approaches that we can apply. Okay, so this one is simple and easy according to me, so I am discussing this with you. Okay, so in this question what was given is, you have been given two triangles. It was given that we have a triangle ABC and another PQR, such that AD and PM are their medians with these two sides AB, AC and median in between, proportional to likewise in the other triangle PQ, R and PM. This proportion is given to you. Okay, so we'll make the figure. Figure was is same as what was in question number 12, if you remember children. Okay, so there also we had done, but उस समय हमें AB and BC इनका proportion मिला था along with the median. अभी हमारा है side AB and AC proportional with the median. वहाँ भी हमने SAS करा था, यहाँ भी हम SAS करेंगे, but proving that A equal requires lots of work here. Okay, so for that let's see how we have gone about it. So I've done a construction here, that this was, you'll write as given, you'll make this figure, and then the construction is, I have drawn a line through this midpoint D. AD is median, then D and M are midpoints. We've discussed that earlier in question number 12 as well. So through this midpoint D, we have drawn a line parallel to one of this side AC, and likewise MN parallel to PR. Okay, so after that what is happening is, we can apply our midpoint theorem we have studied in class 9, so that is becoming applicable. So we have done this construction, draw DE parallel to AC, likewise in the other triangle MN parallel to PR, and then we are saying E would be midpoint. अब D तो already midpoint था क्योंकि ये median था, given है, and फिर हमने यहाँ से parallel line बनाया, तो the other side को भी ये midpoint में जाके मिलेगा. That is what our midpoint theorem is. Okay, so E also happens to be now midpoint of AB. Likewise, same here, M is midpoint, and through midpoint we have drawn a parallel line to the base. So the other side also, this N would be midpoint of the third remaining side. So hence that by midpoint theorem, E and N will be midpoints of AB and PQ respectively, and also this also we know from midpoint theorem that this length comes out to be half of this. Okay, so NM will be half of PR here, likewise DE will be half of AC. So पहले हम ये midpoint theorem quote कर दे रहे हैं after this construction. Now how is that helping us? Now getting back to what was given to us here. This proportion that was given to us, ये given जो था इसको हम change कर लें. So thus by 1, I have called this given proportion as 1, and this midpoint theorem that we have listed here, let me call this result that I have solved here as 2. Okay, so taking these two together, अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि AB can be replaced by AB can be replaced by twice of AE. Okay, so in place of AB twice of AE, and likewise PQ will be twice of PN, because हमने E and N को midpoint बोल दिया है. ठीक है, तो AB and PQ की जगह हमने इनके equivalent रख दिए हैं. Likewise अभी AC देखो, so from here if you cross multiply this 2, AC is twice of DE, तो उसका equivalent रख दिया है. PR is twice of MN, वो रख दिया है. Okay, so ये first वाले में AB upon PQ, AC upon PR can be changed like this under these given conditions, and applying that midpoint theorem. Okay, the third proportion comes as it is, right? Now what will happen next is 2 and 2, all this gets cancelled here, so we end up getting this proportion now. AE, DE, AD, AE, DE, AD. In the figure now you see, this is AE, DE and AD. ये three sides आ गई. And then PN, MN and PM here. PN, MN, PN. So ये जो छोटे triangles हैं यहाँ पे, these two, all three sides are in proportion. So we can apply SSS there, right? So by SSS, these smaller triangles will come out to be congruent. Okay, similar. Okay, so if they are similar, their remaining angles or their all corresponding angles will be equal, right? So that fact if I utilize here in the figure, now these two triangles we have proved similar. So इसका corresponding angle, that is EAD, will be equal to NPM. x से मैंने डिनोट कर दिया, ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, corresponding angles of similar triangle. Likewise ये जो है एंगल DEDA NMP, ये भी corresponding angles हो गए. YY I have written each. Okay, so ये भी corresponding angles of similar triangle है, ये भी equal होंगे. Then further आप देखो, ये एंगल और ये एंगल alternate है. These lines were parallel, so y and this alternate angles are equal, तो ये भी y हो जाएगा. Likewise in this triangle, if I have said this is y, alternate angle से ये angle भी यहाँ पे y हो जा रहा है, ये z form हो रहा है आपका parallel lines, and this is acting as your transversal. Okay, so all that facts we'll quote here. That is what we are doing next. Since we have proved these smaller triangles similar, all these will become the corresponding angles and hence they will be equal. I have denoted, for making our writing easy, I have called them as x and y. Right? Then further we have shown the alternate angles, as I explained you just now, that these angles will be equal because they are alternate angles. Okay? So आप figure में clearly आपको दिख रहा है that angle A of the first triangle, the measure is coming as x plus y, and P का angle is also coming, measure is also coming as x plus y. Okay, this x, then this was also x, this was y, this was also y. So ये पूरा measure angle A का, बड़े triangle का x plus y है, angle P का measure भी x plus y है. So automatically angle P becomes equal to angle A. Okay, so which we will utilize further. So now ultimately you come to your main triangles that you had to prove similar. So we will say in triangle ABC and PQR, the big given triangles, we have observed that angle P of the angle A of the first triangle is equal to angle P of the other. This we had just now proved here. दोनों x plus y आ रहे थे. And ये proportion तो already given था हमको, that AB and AC are proportional to PQ and PR. The sides bearing the equal angles are in proportion. Okay, ये साइड्स हमारी ऑलरेडी प्रोपोर्शनल गिवन थी और ये एंगल बीच का इंक्लूडेड एंगल हमने इक्वल प्रूव कर दिया है. हेंस we have shown SAS criteria in these two triangles, so these two triangles will be similar. That is what you have to do.